Here in Rwanda, they use basically a service on their phones, which is called MoMo. And it's how you get cash and you load it onto your phone, and then you use your phone to purchase anything. I mean, literally anything. Like if you want to buy even one mango, you use your phone, and everybody has a little phone and they transfer money to it. So what I'm going to do now is use my American bank account, and I'm going to go into the ATM here in Rwanda and pull out Rwandan francs, and then I'm going to load it on my phone. So right now I'm going to pull out 200,000 Rwandan francs, which is about, say, 145 bucks in the US. So now that I have my cash in hand, I'm going to go to this agency called the MoMo, and usually right outside of any ATM or bank, there's these people with the yellow vests, and it's called the MoMos, and they're going to actually load my cash onto my phone. So this is how it works. Amakuru. Awesome. Amazing. Do you want me to give you my number? Because I have, yes, deposit. I have 200K. 0 Karingwe Umunani Umunani Kani Kani Karingwe. Yeah, that's it. So basically, I come up and greet the Monica. Yes. Yes. So I greet them, and I give them the amount that I tell them the amount that I'm going to deposit into my phone, and then I give them my local phone number, and then she's gonna pull it up on her end and confirm that she has the correct phone number, and she'll give me my name, which you just said, Monica. So now she's loading up the amount on my phone. So as she's loading it up, I'm seeing it come on as a text message. See, she just sent, there's my 200K she just put on my phone. Boom. See that? Okay. So then at that point, I give her the money. Just like that, easy peasy. And there's no charge for this service at all. So she gets the money, just like that. And then I say, Marikosi Chani Chani. And then she counts it. And now my phone is loaded up with money, and I can just handle my business with my phone, and I don't have to use cash anymore. It's easy peasy and super safe.